We'll come back to subscribe, please. COGNITOKEN, ticker symbol $COG, is a cryptocurrency coin you can buy on MEXC Global or using BNB on the BSC blockchain with PancakeSwap. This guide explains how to buy $COG. First, let's define what COGNITOKEN, or $COG, actually is. It's a token, and you'll want to research the project behind the token, understanding its key features and use cases. Think about why you might want to choose $COG, looking at the potential benefits of holding it. Briefly analyze current market trends, and highlight any unique aspects or advantages of this particular crypto coin. If we're buying $COG, you'll need a wallet, and we recommend MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Install and configure your chosen wallet specifically for the Binance Smart Chain, and make sure you write down and protect your private keys and seed phrases. You'll also need BNB, or Binance Coin, for transaction fees on the BSC. You can buy BNB on Binance or other exchanges, and then transfer it to your BSC-compatible wallet. Finally, creating an account on MEXC Global is optional, but you'll need to complete KYC verification and fund your account with USDT or another accepted currency if you plan to use that exchange. If you're using MEXC Global, navigate the exchange and find the $COG trading pair, for example, COG/USDT. To place a buy order, understand the difference between market and limit orders, enter the desired amount of $COG and your price, and confirm the transaction. You can also transfer your $COG from MEXC Global to your personal wallet, but make sure you use the correct BSC address for withdrawal. Buy $COG on PancakeSwap. Go to the PancakeSwap website and connect your MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Make sure your wallet is set to the BSC network. You'll also need the $COG token contract address to add $COG as a custom token in PancakeSwap. Always verify this address. Setting the slippage tolerance is also important to avoid transaction failures. Once that's done, you can swap your BNB for $COG. Remember that BNB is also used to pay transaction fees. You can adjust gas prices if needed to speed up transactions. Security is crucial. Never share your private keys or seed phrases. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Be wary of fake tokens and phishing websites, always verifying the $COG token contract address. And as always, do your own research before investing. To recap, you can buy $COG on MEXC Global and PancakeSwap. It's important to do your due diligence and prioritize security. Invest responsibly and find more information about $COG through official channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe, please.